Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is called Bun Thang. It is a soup noodle originated from Ha Noi. It's a chicken soup-based rice vermicelli topped with shredded chicken and scrambled eggs. Today I'm making my own version of Bun Thang topped with shredded eggs, steamed pork roll, and steamed shrimp paste. Smash 2 thumb-sized ginger, peel half a size of dykon, and cut them into chunks like that. Soup base is the most important part for this recipe. After I blanch my pork bones, fill up the water on an 8-quart pot, add in pork bones, then add in chopped dykon, add in ginger and 1 whole white onion, and add in 2 dried scallops. Also add in 2 teaspoons of salt and cook under medium for a good 1 hour. When the meat falls off from the bone, your soup is ready. Vietnamese dish requires lots of attention to details, and it also requires lots of preparation time. Previously, I have labeled everything for your convenience. Here we have steamed ground pork roll. This is the same type of meat that they use for the Vietnamese bread, bánh mì. If you live in the Bay Area or in Texas, you can pretty much pick one up at any Asian market store. Next, I'm going to prepare my eggs, and the best way to explain it is to show it to you. You want to make it as thin as possible, and then flip it over and wait until it's cooked, and remove it from the stove and cut it into strips. For the egg mixture, I added a teaspoon of salt and half a cup of milk. If you don't have milk or you don't like milk, you can use half a cup of chicken broth. I'm using 5 eggs, so I have about 5 to 6 batches to prepare. It's actually pretty fun. It's very relaxing in a way. By the way, I would use a non-stick pan to prepare this egg. Now I'm just going to stack them up and cut them at once into strips, just like that. Next is to prepare my rice vermicelli noodle. For the shrimp, add in a teaspoon of hot sesame oil. I also added a teaspoon of salt and ground black pepper, cornstarch, and 1 egg. Then I realized my camera was off. On a smaller pot, scoop out about 3 cups of soup base from the main pot to cook for the shrimp paste. Squeeze out about 2 inches in length shrimp paste and drop it into the soup, just like that. I will use a strainer to remove any large particles left over from the shrimp paste cooking and add it back to my main pot soup. And that's it. My shrimp paste is done. It is cooked and not so bad, right? I'm not sure why many Vietnamese restaurants do not offer this recipe on the menu. Vietnamese food requires a lot of attention to details, and it is time consuming, and the meal is less fatty. The end product is nice and flavorful, and your family members love it, so it's really worth it to prepare this meal. My husband loves all types of soup, so this is a very hearty and wholesome meal to him. Thank you so much for your time and patience. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please share and subscribe. Until then, I will see you on my next video. Take care. Have a great weekend.